Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Ekalaiva online teaching class. See, last class also I explained about the symbols. This class also I will explain that. Okay, what symbol is this? What symbol is this? This is addition. That means add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. You are adding. Okay, see the same example I am going to teach you. See, your father is giving one chocolate, your mother is giving one chocolate, your grandfather is giving one chocolate, your grandmother is giving one chocolate. Totally how many chocolates you are having? 4 chocolates. Okay, that is add. This one, what sign is this? This is subtraction. You are going to minus in this. This is adding, this is subtracting. This only is the basic symbols and sign you are going to use in this class. Next, multiplication is there, division is there. Later I will explain about the multiplication and the division symbol. Subtracting. See, you are having 5 chocolates. Your dad gave 5 chocolates to you. In school, to your friends, you are giving 3 chocolates. You are giving 3 chocolates. Then what is the remaining chocolate with you? What the chocolate with you at that time? See, 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. How many chocolates will be with you at the time? If you give this 3 chocolate to your friends means how many chocolate will be with you? Only 2 chocolates. It's going on. Subtraction means it will go on. It's addition means it will come. It will come to. We are adding. We are adding for this plus sign and we are decreasing. The numbers will goes down. That for this minus sign. Okay. Now let's go for the sum. See, first what you have to do? The place value. What place is this one? Ones. Last time I teach you the 2 digit numbers. Now 3 digit. Ones and this is tens and this one is hundreds place. This is the place value. Ones place. These numbers and all. This 3, 1, 7 and all. Ones place. This 1, 9, 8 and all in tens place. And this 1, 3, 4 and all is in hundreds place. Now we are going to add. What you have to do now here? What symbol you have to write? What sign we have to write here? This addition, this plus sign. Okay, see now, see if we are having only 10 fingers. We are having only 10 fingers. Include this if 4 or 5 if they are asking means we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If it's beyond that number, if it is 6 plus 8 means we can't count in this finger. So, see 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We can take in this hand 3 and in this hand 4. Count this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then again one more number is here. One more number is here. We can't keep 4 in this hand and 7. We don't have 7 fingers. No, only 5 fingers is here. We don't have 7 fingers. So what we have to do? We have to keep. What is the number? 3 plus 1 is 4. We have to keep the 4 in our mind. 7 fingers are there, no, in our hand. 5 plus 2, yes, 4 in our mind and 7 fingers on our hand. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7 is, again you count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can we write 11 here? Can we write 11 here? No, we should not write 11 here because this 11 also is in this one is in ones place and this one is in tens place. So we have to write this one in ones place. Okay, and this one we have to carry to this tens place. Again, you have to write the 1 in this tens place. Tens place. Now, we are going to count this tens place numbers. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 2. And then this next number, 2 plus 9, 2 in the mind. We don't have 2 fingers and 9 fingers. So, 2 in the mind and 9 on the fingers. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's the number? 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Again, one more number is here. No, 8 is here. Then again we have to add from 11 to 8. 11 in the mind and 8 on the fingers. 11 after, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. What is the number come here? If we add all these 4 number means, what is the number will come here? Can you tell this? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 8 is? 11 plus 8 is? No, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, what is the number? 19. Which number we have to write? This 1 or 9? Yes, this 9. We have to write this 9 here. And where this 1 will go? We have to write here. No, we have to write this 1 in hundreds place. In hundreds place. Again, we have to add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 plus 4, 5 in the mind, 4 on the finger. 5 after, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, what do you have to write here? 9. What is the answer for this? Tell me the number, this whole number. 991. 991. Yes. It's correct? Whether it's correct? Is Mrs. correct? Okay, let's go to the next sum. See, again we have to write the place. Okay. Again, we are going to add this. 1 plus 8, 1 in the mind and 8 on the finger. 1 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 after this, 5. 10 in the mind and 5 on the finger. 10 after, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do you have to write here? For 15, 5. And the 1 will carry over to this tens place. 1 plus 8, 1 in the mind, 8 on the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Again one more 9 is here. See, one more 9 is here, no? 9 plus 9. 9 in the mind and 9 on the finger. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Yes, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 plus 2 we don't have 18 fingers, no? So 18 should be in our mind. 18 plus 2. 18 in the mind and 2 on the fingers. 18 after, 19, 20. Okay, 20. What we have to write? For 20, what do you have to write here? 0 or 2? 0 or 2? Yes, 0. And 2 in the hundreds place. Now, you are going to add 2 in the mind. 6? Yes, in the fingers. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 2 plus 6 is 8. Again 1. 8 plus 1, you know this is easy, no? 8 plus 1, it's 9. Okay. 9 plus 1, yes, 10. Very good. 10. And then, see what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? 105? No. Then 1005? No. This is, what is this? What is this? What number is this? You tell me. 1005. 1005. The answer is 1005. Okay. Again, we have to write for every sum. If you go to the 4th standard or 5th standard, no need to write this and all. That time you know very well about this. We have to write this. Ones, tens and hundreds. Then what you have to write? Here again the symbol plus. The plus sign we have to write here. Okay. 2, see 222, 397, 176. Now we are going to add first this ones. What are the numbers in the ones place? 2, 7 and 6. 2, 7 and 6. Which is the first number? 2. This is the second number? 7. We are going to add 2 and 7. Okay. 2 in the mind and 7 on the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Very good. 9. And then what number is this? 6. Yes. 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 9 plus 6 is 9. See 9 in the mind, 6 on the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes, 15. Now you know what number we have to write in this ones place. What number? Yes, 5. And this one, it will go to this tens place. Yes, 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. 3 plus 9. Okay, I'll tell. 3 in the mind and 9 on the fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. And then one more number is there. What is that? 7. 12 plus 7. 12 in the mind and how many? 7. Yes, 7 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, for 19 what we have to write? What do you have to write? Yes, 9. 9 here and this one will go to this hundreds place. Yes, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, I'll tell you. 1 plus 2 is 3 and then 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, 3 on the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6 and then 6 plus 1. It's very easy, no? I will tell. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer? 795. Okay, do you understand this? Understand, no? This addition sum? Yes. Okay, let's see the next, the subtraction and all in the next class. Okay, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.